what's going on, guys? Alright, what's going on, guys? Dakota, welcome to the video. And again, market analysis Wednesday, giving an update on the pairs that we looked at the beginning of the week and seeing how we're doing so far. Like always, if you have any pairs that you want to go over while we're on the call, want me to go over, or even if you want to share your chart, go ahead, like ask your question, put the pair in the live chat. Okay, so, and I'll be sure to go over before the call ends. But let's go ahead and get straight into it. So I've been paying attention to these three pairs over here on the right side. The first pair, EURUSD, we've been waiting for an impulse coming down. We actually got that impulse coming down. And if you check out my video that I posted, I believe last Monday, I was waiting for a break of this trend line and looking for a correction, and then confirming that it's pushing down to this monthly level. Still looking for that same exact setup. All I did was just delete this line just to delete some clutter off my chart. Now we just got this downtrend going on here. I didn't take advantage of this opportunity for this sell setup because it wasn't set up the proper way that I wanted it to be set up. Like I said, I was waiting for that break of the trend line and pass on the opportunity, waiting for basically a better opportunity, cleaner opportunity for me to enter at. So I got my alerts set there, waiting for that pullback. Maybe a few days, maybe 2, maybe 3. We'll see. Alright, next pair, UCHEF. UCHEF has been doing amazing for us, has been going well for us, let's say. We entered here last week. I believe it was last week. Yep, last week. We got 2 entries last week, and just held a few days. We got stuck in consolidation for a little while, but it finally took off in our favor. Right now, let's hide that one first. So 2 positions. TP's just about getting hit on the first position that we placed. Second one, so 4 to 1. We still have a little ways to go with that. So basically how I'm expecting, or how I'm looking at this to probably play out, probably a small pullback to come back, and if we do get a deep retracement, I'm looking for a retracement down to this level, and then continue to push up to that zone. But overall, still holding on to the buys, not moving SLs any point right now. Just gonna let the TPs get hit, and if it comes back, it comes back. If a reversal pattern occurs, obviously I'll react accordingly. Now yesterday I did enter for another buy position. If you saw the position that I just placed here, and it's for another buy position off of the 15 minutes. And let's clean this up so it's clear to see. Okay, and I simply entered off of this breakout. I saw a pattern here, break of the trend line, a flat pattern there, and I entered off the breakout on definitely not the 15 minute. Looks like the 1 hour. No, it was a 15 minute. Candle close above that pattern on the 15 minute time frame. Set my SL below the pattern and targeting basically that zone up there. Yep. But that is the setup on UCHEF. Jeez. Okay, that's the setup on UCHEF. Sorry, there was this big spider that just crawled up here. I was out of focus for a second. Alright, yeah, we went over UCHEF. Hey, been part of your Telegram all week. I'm loving it. I appreciate that, man. But the real action, where I really post most of the things, it's actually gonna be in the Discord. I don't really post a lot in the Telegram, just simply because I can do a lot more with Discord, and like more comfortable in that arena. So if you want to join the Discord channel, the link is in the description. It's also in the corner of the screen. But that is EURUSD and UCHEF. GBP USD, has been playing out for us as well. Like, no losing trades this week. All trades have been pretty much in profit. GBP USD actually hit take profit for us. I believe I have a screenshot of that here. Yep, right here. So it actually hit take profit for us. Go back in the chat and you'll see the setup that we had for this, and basically where we were targeting just that low there. Now if we come back to here, I actually adjusted my TP afterwards. Price hit TP1. Notice that, okay, on the higher time frame we have a large potential for price to continue to push down. And to simply put it, I mean, like, if we just zoom out on the higher time frames, you can see pretty much like this period is in a downtrend here. It's retesting this trend line, and it's broken an uptrend. We're looking for it to continue down and possibly push down to this low here. I'm not targeting that low. I'm just targeting a recent low over here in this area for that TP to be hit, which provides me with an 11-to-1 risk to reward ratio. So really good opportunity, and going to be looking for other opportunities to enter on this as well. Waiting for this to push down a little bit further, possible correction here, and then another push, but I'll target the same exit level here. Make sure I got that brought up. Yes, Discord. If you don't know what it is, like, it's basically a server. It's kind of like Telegram, but in my opinion, it's a lot more polished. Because, like, if I have multiple chats where I send out charts, I may send out an announcement or things about projects that I do, or even if you guys want to talk, it's all centralized in one place, as opposed to having two Telegram chats where one is me sending out my charts and cluttered announcements, and you got to scroll all the way up to find what I talked about like 2 weeks ago. And then you have to go to a different chat to talk to people. So it centralizes everything. That's why I like it more. But if you click the link, it will take you to the website, and it will also prompt you to download an app on your laptop or your phone, whichever you're watching this on. But that's my analysis on the pairs that we've gone over so far, or that I'm paying attention to for the next few weeks. Like always, like, if you guys like the video, go ahead, hit that like button, and if you want to keep up with the videos, be notified when I post new videos, go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Also, another thing that I actually posted recently is basically my system for my trading plan. Basically like a 5-block system in a video that I posted, I believe, on Monday. That video is really nice. I mean, obviously, like, the quality is not fantastic. I will go ahead and polish the videos as I get more in tune with YouTube, because really all I really do for YouTube right now is just do these live calls for you guys instead of doing Zooms. So it's automatically uploaded here, so you guys can have immediate access to it and can run through it without asking me for the recordings. But definitely in the future we'll be doing more quality videos in the future. But okay, those are the three that I'm paying attention to. Let's go ahead and move on to some other pairs that we've actually been paying attention to for the past few weeks. Alright, so NAS 100, first thing that we're gonna go over. It's broke out this channel. What did we talk about? I don't really remember what we talked about on this one. Overall, I was looking for a push up within this channel, but price is broken out of it. I honestly, I want to look for a major push down, but obviously if the setup's there for a push down, we're gonna like treat it like it's gonna push down. So right now, since it's broken out, we're looking to sell, and on a lower time frame, we have an ascending channel, so reversal patterns and retest right here in this area. So wouldn't target anything major. I'll just look for possible risk entry at the top, possible break retest here, then push down to this level here. And possibly that level as well. Okay, 2 TPs for that possible sell if it gives you that setup. Meet your confirmations for that. Okay, gold. Well, just looking at everything else, I'm assuming gold has still been going down, at least chopping down at least. So we can see here gold has been has kept pushing down. Is this the right chart? Cause I know I don't look at gold that often, so like our chart, like my markup on here should still be the same. Yeah, here it is. Yeah, I only look at gold when we're pretty much on this call. Like I don't personally trade it. When I do trade it, it's like with you guys and holding positions. The last position that we held was here, and the price has stopped us out if you did not move your stop loss and it came all the way down here for this time. Okay, so right now what I'm looking at is possible descending channel here, which could form a pullback, and I'll look for that pullback to possibly retest this area, and then obviously before that it could retest an area right around here. Okay, basically the high of this pattern. But definitely continuing to sell until we get further confirmation telling us to buy. That's pretty much it. Just do what the market is, like take advantage of what the market is showing you. Don't try to anticipate full reversals and stuff like that. Just go with the trend pretty much. And quick look at a few of these pairs. Euro JPY looks like a nice sell opportunity here. Yeah, I would love for it to come back up to the top. Like, if you know my trading style, I don't really like to trade triangles, like these type of triangles. I like it for it to touch a certain area multiple times, and this is a perfect area for me to actually sell at. So price gets up there, I look for a short sell, and then you can find out your TPs based off your own analysis. Here on USD JPY, looking for a better correction, so looking for a nice little pullback to this zone, this area right here, and then looking for a potential push up just a little bit further. I wouldn't stretch it out too far because I want to see some more structure be developed on the higher time frames. But this would be a nice setup on the 1 hour time frame. Euro AUD, wait for a correction, nothing to really talk about there. GJ, I'd like for it to pull back to this zone, and then possible entry there. And let me move this alert down. Yeah, that's pretty much it on GJ right now. USD CAD, we caught the buy on USD CAD, hit TP a while back, and we're waiting on a correction here and looking for the buy. So please go ahead, give the video a like, and hit that subscribe button if you want to keep up with the videos. I'll leave the floor open for a few more minutes, and just in case anyone else has any pairs that they want me to go over, or any charts that they want to share. Or even any questions to ask. Alright, as I'm waiting, we're gonna go ahead and look here and look for some day trading setups as well. Just on the 3 pairs that I'm trading right now. Definitely waiting for that to get all the way up there. No reason to rush on EURUSD. And no need to enter again on USHEF. We already have plenty of entries. GBPUSD. This may be a little sketchy, but definitely wanted to come up a little bit higher before entering. Yeah, so everything's just a wait. Everything is just a wait right now. What I would like to see is this test the Fibonacci level. And get your take on gold, please. Yes, I actually already went over gold, and gold is like pushing down, so just fall in alignment with what the market is doing. If you're in a downtrend, keep selling. The uptrend that we had has been broken, and since it's been broken, we're looking for sales. There's no point in trying to anticipate when it's going to go back up, or if it's going to go back up. Just go with the flow of the market and capitalize off those opportunities. And definitely suggest going down to the 1 hour, 15 minutes. Look for small opportunities, small 2-to-1s, 3-to-1s. Gold can even give you like 5-to-1s on those low time frames. Yeah, everything's just waiting, and be sure to do this. Boom, boom, boom. Yep. Alright, since it looks like there are no more questions or anything that anybody else wants to go over, we're gonna go ahead and end the stream here. Again, guys, I really appreciate you guys hopping on. And I do these calls every Monday and Wednesday at 7:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now, once I get to 50, which is gonna be in the next few, I'm actually gonna stop doing this on a weekly basis and start doing it on a monthly basis, and those sessions are going to be a whole lot longer. You're going to basically see my entire how I mark up pretty much entirely, at least for the first one. We'll see how the first one goes. After that first stream, if I like the way it's going, I'll go ahead and do that on a monthly basis. If I feel like I'm giving out too much information or something else that I may not like about the call, I'll still do the monthly, but I'll just do like the pairs instead of my full analysis. But again, thank you guys for hopping on. Go ahead, give the video a like and subscribe if you want to keep up the videos. Join the Discord channel, the link is in the description, and you can also follow me on Instagram if you click the link in the description. I'll catch you guys later.